Before moving on to Module 6, the eviction steps, simply put, are first thing, figure out what notice you're going to give to your tenants, serve the notices. Once they expire, do the summary eviction filing. This includes all evidence that you would like the judge to see for themselves. If the tenant files a response, then a court appearance will be necessary. If they don't file a response, then we just completely skip the court appearance and the order gets straight sent to the constable. If a court date is set and we appear and we win, again, the order will be sent to the constable and they'll give them 24 hours to vacate. Module 6 is court appearances. So court appearances, you don't have to go to court for every single notice that you serve, which is really nice. You only have to go to court if the tenant files a response. So when we go to court, make sure that we're only going to court for the notice that we are there for. For example, if we served a 3-day nuisance, you cannot bring up the fact that the tenant is delinquent in rent. Don't get distracted for other reasons that you're there. Be very professional and only answer the judge's questions. Just stick to the facts. Don't give your personal opinion on the matter. Henderson judges will ask that you go outside of the courtroom and speak to your tenant one-on-one to see if you can come up with a solution. So make sure you do that before you step foot into Henderson's courtroom. If you don't, it's not a big deal. The judge will make you go out in the hallway and try and come up with a solution. Don't be surprised if a North Las Vegas judge gives more time to the tenant, either to cure the reason that they're there or to give the tenant more time to vacate or pay rent. So if we're there for a 7-day pay or quit, the judge might say, you know what, let's continue this for a week just to give the tenant a little more time to come up with the funds. So don't be surprised if that happens. If the eviction is denied by the judge, contact Leavitt Evictions to see what went wrong and to see how you could fix it if you have to go to court again, or maybe you served the wrong notice, which happens sometimes. We're human, we make mistakes, and that's okay, but you could still fix it. And it's good to contact someone who just deals strictly with evictions because they might know something or have something to share with you that you may not know. So it's always good to reach out to people and see what can be done differently in the future.